Hello everyone, this is Ifshal Faisal from Allied Consultants. Allied Consultants is a software consulting and development organization having specialization in BI, integration, web development, and mobile development. Today I am going to give you an overview of Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool. It has data acquisition, transformation, data modeling, and visualization tools. It can be used to create visually appealing dashboards, and it can also be used to help decision makers to make better decisions. So for the purpose of demonstration, I have created a sample data of employees. You can see here we have ID, first name, last name, salary, department, location, country, date of birth, and sorting order. We will use sorting order for customized sorting later on in this demonstration. We have a sheet with department and budget of salary columns and another sheet of location in which we have population column and state column. We will import this data. To import the data, we have to click on Get Data. And we have various options over here. We can import from Excel, SQL Server, Analysis Services, Text or CSV, and so on. And if we click on More, we can get further options as well. You can import from CRM, etc. And I will select Excel. Now I will select my sample data. As I have 3 sheets in my Excel file, so it is showing me 3 options, and I will select all 3 items. And on clicking on any item, I can see the data. I can preview and click Load. Now it is importing the data in Power BI. Here you can see we have 3 sections: import section, data section, and relationship section. We can see the imported items over here. Here you can see 3 entities: department, employee, and location. In relationship section, you can see the relationship Power BI has automatically created. It has automatically created a relationship between department and employee entities. On department column, employee and department entities have department field or column, so it has automatically added a relationship between these two. However, location has 2 columns, state and population. Employee and department do not have any field which has name of state or population, so it has not added any relationship between these two. We will discuss later on how to relate these. We can create a relationship as well. We can create a relationship by clicking on Manage Relationships button. I can add relationship on the basis of location and state in location column. We can now click OK, and a relationship will be created. But for the time being, I am not creating the relationship. I will discuss a case on how to address this. But right now, I'm going back to import section and creating some visuals. You can see there are some visuals available in Power BI. I will add a bar chart. It's a stacked bar chart. In Power BI, you can create hierarchies as well. For creating a hierarchy, you simply right-click on a column and click New Hierarchy. You can drag and drop any column in the hierarchy. First of all, I simply drag location column into axis and salary into value. You can see that by just dragging location into axis and salary into value, we get a visual graph. You can see California, New York, and Washington. Now it is showing us the total salaries of employees of California, New York, and Washington. For California, it is 140,000. For New York, it is 175,000. and for Washington employees, a total salary of 105,000. If you want to distinguish on the basis of color, you can add location to legend. Now you can see the different colors for New York, California, and Washington. You can add filters. Let's say if you just want to show California and New York, you can select just those two. See. There are further operations for filtration too. Like you can apply advanced filtration. Here in advanced filtration, we have different options like contain, not contain, equal to, not equal to, and other options like these. I'm moving on, and now I'm going to create another visual. I'm adding the hierarchy. I just created an axis and saved in value. Here you can see it is showing that in California. Here you can see it is showing that in California there are 4 employees, in New York there are 5 employees, and in Washington there are 3 employees. It has a drill down option. Hierarchy is commonly used with drill down feature. We can click here to turn it on and double click over here. By double clicking, you can see the Department of California. In California, IT has 1 employee. California MKT department has 3 employees. If you click here, all the hierarchies are expanded. You can do further if you add salary to the value field. You can see California employees have a total salary of 140,000. New York employees have a total salary of 175,000, and Washington employees have a total salary of 105,000. You can also add legend. You can see the different colors for each location. You can use hierarchies and drill down features as per your requirement. Now you can sort the data as per your need. Let's say you want to sort by salary. You can see it has sorted the departments by salary. New York sales department has 125,000 salary. California MKT department is next to New York sales, and you can see the data in sorting. You can also sort by location. Here you can see it has sorted alphabetically. C comes first, so California is the first. Then comes N, New York, and then comes W, Washington. Let's say if you have some requirements that you want to custom sort. If you want New York to come first and then California and then Washington, you can set custom sorting. I have set the custom sorting order for my data over here. I want New York to come first, so I have set order to 1 for New York, and I have set order 2 for Washington and 3 for California. I will use the sort order for custom sorting as per my requirement. I will go in data view, and on location column, I will use the option sort by column. Basically, I want this location column to be sorted out by sort order column so that in my visuals after this change, my location column will be sorted by sort order. I'm going back to visuals, and now you can see I can sort as per my requirements. New York is sorted first, then Washington, and then comes California. Whenever I will select sort by location, it will sort the data by sort order column. So that's all for this video. Thanks viewers for watching the video, and in the next video, I will discuss more features of Power BI. Please keep watching my videos.